Okay, yɛma makwaba mfa mmra GH Live Studio. Yɛhyia se ya na ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔ. Ana yɛba nso aba abɛdie. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nyankopɔn yɛ adom Sunday they are going to play against Bechem United, and it's going to be a crucial game and also Ebekoso. Very, very crucial. But a nneɛma bi kɔ so wɔ mmɔnten we need to discuss and we need to talk about. We ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdie. Message say joining and so our comment box wo also do adwen kyerɛ ɛbɛka ho na bibia enso aye kama midin ɛde na nabakɔ immigration so onyan subscribe ya message so subscribe to the channel or subscribe ya share like na or comment enso ɛwɔ hɔ no ntem ka we ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdie so onso fo adwen kyerɛ enso ɛfabra na bibia enso enye kama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ɛbɔ mo ho mmɔden. But offer abontia and some yet no, and there are some things that I don't discuss it on this platform because and might be below higher in person meeting home come up. Yen share idea that screen is what you about top 10 home wins our Ghana Premier League in the more. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I win it 10. I will fear. Bechem United is not easy to go there and take a win. Do you know that this season Bechem United concede goal ɛwɔ ɛhɔ no Kotoko lusu yɛ Heart of Oak lusu yɛ Kofi Tompuo ɛyɛ Kotoko ne Heart of Oak nyinaa ho adwuma but Kotoko Kotoko lusu matches ze some matches ɛwɔ Obuasi but Kotoko Babanyara Sports I don't remember the last time Kotoko lusu ofie. Okay, so top 10 Kotoko ne da kan Bechem United Bebian Good Stars 9. Pandu Heart of Lions 8. Mediama Sporting Club 8. Brekum Chelsea 7. Heart of Oak 7. Baseke 7. Legon City 6. And Nations FC. And so it was 6. Which means Nations FC struggle with you. Nations, they are really struggling at home. So I was say Nations share that side no. Yanko the away ones. Nations struggle with feeling they are winning at away. Not at home, but away. So more away they are winning. So Nations FC away no when you 6 wins. Heart of Oak 4. Mediema 3. Kotoko 3. Gold Stars 3. Dreams 3. Pandu 3. Karela 2. Bechem United 2. Young Apostles and so 2. There's the start because me person di wura nkomodi na me ba bi di nemu. Enti yemfa we no emfa nwura ne ye di ho nkomo no. The reason why I make san nkomo enyina ne say Kotoko supporters omuni abotre ent football na si bebere no. I'm not saying say Kotoko supporters na ebinom omonte football na si bebere no. Kasa edi coach Ogumatem. Kasa edi players biatem. Kotoko how many aways win? 3. Home wins 10. Okay. Now Kotoko at the top of the league, which is 25 games, 46 points, 12 goals. Enti ana mo sorry ebi mo sorry me the amount observing America. It's my observation because maybe this this season Kotoko games me nkoye no enu 3 wenchi na meko ensu 3 na meko samana boy na meko moma yemfa no krenka asem. For me, I'm saying the truth. So when Jimmy didn't ntuma also bet me the wadwen kyerɛ de aba. I just want us to discuss something. This is a deep analysis that I'm going to do. And I know say nyeme ka no Also, wow, observe saa no. After Poli, Kotoko abo 8 matches within 1 week. 8 matches within 1 week. Sorry, 1 month. It's 1 month, not 1 week. So within 1 month. And I'm saying within 1 month because Kotoko first game on boy after Nana Poli ewu no. Amu ye na yi no. Kotoko ebo Legon Cities 9th of March. Kotoko last game on boy omo game bian 6th April against Pando Heart of Lions. So 1 month no drew papa because I got 3 days drew 1 month. Okay. But Kotoko supporters nete and one day and a players we nyade and a players we asa and a player we asa and a masa you will never get player obet me at taking the mudro about game the whole season. Kotoko is playing MTNFA Cup at the same time playing Premier League and they are on top of the Premier League. Premier League Kotoko at the top. Or Trim Baby and Go Stars at every MTNFA Cup 2 points. Eba MTNFA Cup or that or was semi-final. So which means Kotoko Kotoko 2 games to play. Say Kotoko final or 2 games to play. Playing against Brecum Chelsea and then the final game. Ye nim di one bebo. What is the make can say? Okay. Me name say what here say what has say e me dey call. Because I was here call. It's about 18-minute video na me yan ho adwuma sesia. Aha ye GH Live Studio. Ye di Kotoko ho nkomo. Waba na wa join it. O join it and actually say obe subscribe to the channel. Subscribe ni atwere ko no fa sabos na edi ni meto so. We are not on saba doma no so. No afa all ALL. Offer we are anytime the video tumbia or you call live open your notification now so click so na BBI kama onni medin add na nabakwa migrations medican enso abo ewo ho no na enkomo ekoso abontin na me this video we eba Kotoko supporters ni bi complain bitterly I don't think na me this enkomo we eba ebinom I'm not saying so munyina ebinom though Kotoko performance na conform but enko from sa and call from sir. Kotoko ebo game 9th of last month. Legon Cities. Oh, we need 2 goals to nil. Okay. Wakwa kubo insu atreman. Kotoko insu atreman. Yakobi. Miami Kobi. Ebi obi hwehwe miami na mikuta ticket ameka sensem tronia auto ticket. Ana waba game obeto ticket. Yakoye no. Ensem PC wo entrance wo before the game MA game anymore a boy after the game or within the game you shows it 3 red cards 80 Kotoko players mo 4 matches suspension na inso atema game ni kan into na 3 matches ebe do mo Premier League no they are not going to play. Okay, ana nipa Kotoko games bia we do manim even tonton sansan no wo bono e motivate players no enya ball na say a crucial moment and I say a chance for them once obo tonton sansan no e wo stance ni mu e Kenyan players no na sa nipa we afiri mu no psychologically mentally again who say players na e di no bekum we et say sabi omo maame ana om papa bi afirim nipa o hye omo kran wo mbo mu nipa omo moral e di bo omo matches na say we to na eno kira say e give them some moral bi ahoden bi na say yesi watch this how they are struggling or how are they going to struggling mentally psychologically, even physically, it will affect them because 1 month ni nyina na kɔtɔkɔ training. Ɔmo te fie, ɔmo nyɛ training biara. Na waba win 2-0 ɛwɔ home. Within 3 days, na ɔmo akɔ akɔbɔ second 11 wise ɛwɔ MTN FA Cup mu. And Kotoko against Legon Cities no. Ubenya goalkeeper ni din Mohamed Kamara. One goal post no. Kotoko last 12-10 matches one na them. One goal post ni mo. Captain na ojina mo deputy captain but se Kamara na dem dia ono na captain team no. Ono nso ameda Bobby, which is Justice Blay. And Edumre bia player ni din Michael Che Dwamena enso be hye mfimfin ho ebeboa. It is enkas Justice Blay no a ene enka Che Dwamena mebo. Ono nso e out. The same time na players e pla Albert Amwa ono na hye goals makotoko oya out. Emmanuel Corti na oya out. Even Lord Amwampo no onye fit. Okay. Edim ho komo. Minim se baby am dey to no. Unhu ne ye. Koloko be winning 2. Ekobo second 11 wise within 3 days. So 9th, 12th, 3 days. So Koloko 9th match no. And obebo on the 12th of March. Second 11 wise. Ewo MTN FA Cup we fie. E winning 1-0. 3 days pepepe. Ana Kotoko team no etu ye. And omo tu no. Omo ball Legon Cities no. Kotoko team no rest ye. Adichin ya. Omo bu game match. Adichin ya ukwa training. Because say 3 days e was adichin we training na utu free her. And lucky enough when I say second the on Kumasi. But Samates obo match ni wie na second match ni was adichin a okoya recovery. Na adichin ye otu edi free Kumasi. And Kotoko take 7 good hours. And they could do some man boy. And me, my year Juma was Sankregua Royal FM. From Kumasi to Asankregua, when I got to continue to die, more than 6 hours on a road because you too family. Some na boy, or more ever place as a who plane, I'll bet me and even a helicopter. So 7 hours, 6 hours, maybe 6.5 hours to Asankregua. Players and better resting. From Asankregua to Samana Boy, 1 hour. You see? And Omoko drew home, I mean, Casemincho. Omoko drew Honomono. Nipa na Oma Kotoko Timuni morale. Omo motivate Kotoko Timuno. Organize your friends, youth, Kotoko supporters. Emo Motabi share Kotoko. I was a Shibekwai. Emo Modu Kotoko Timuno Echo Asanko resting. Na your friend Mr. Nab. Time na pole wu ye no. Na ono so afrim. E wa Asanko. Iti Kotoko kwa sama boy no. Nipa na ojeje omani no. No wani ho. Iti na mene ba edi nkomo se you could do the power Kotoko. Tim no bia ni yanim. But nkasa time na nka papa no wo ho a. Odi yanim. Obeba hotel ho abrege nsu abrege niema. Ono nsu ni ho. Hwe saa de wi. Kotoko sa game no. Na Kotoko players 3 was suspension. Na other players no so epra. Enti ohwe Kotoko bench na it was only 3 players na omo first team players na omo at bench edema Kotoko. Enti Patrick Kessie do 90 minutes Samba bonenti minutes abrepla. Kotoko no or the only 4 defenders and the koye. And some 4 defenders in na boy. Tisenka nyankopo amfa kwan mu na kotoko player bi player defender bi player. Nanka hwan be replace because omanom to na yankra youth players no omo mo kotoko senior team ni bi da. Isaka no omo obi da okoye. Guy ba ko is friend Nana Bibi. No omo senior team leader enso okobi. Omo no moti bench Baba Yaya onye defender. Isaac Minta Isaac Minta boy. Samson Aduku ono onye defender. Ana eze one player enso no nso te bench na ekotoko only 3 first players no moti bench. Yehwe sa de wi o. Young Apostles. And also your 3rd game and no Premier League now. Still now the same thing. Koloko Elusu is 7 hours. They call summer boy by 14 hours on road. Omo buy na no mo sanso eko wenji. And also your away game. Shebre akotoko players na ebre. Ye ni abrochire o. Yete Ghana hasi. Ghana hani yete. Yenhwe bra players no ebre fam. Ana bases na you use no. Enye bas a obenya place ada home. Say meti bas and even say what team na wo da crampo a Rose ninya because from Sefibekwan to Asankrigwa eye mfutukwan rough road. And what that wo mu crampo a. And just say ye the belt ebubobo mu ama no tale match bed no. But ye ni bases a obenya bed ni adu ma place betimi ada arrest kama. Ye ni bisa e Ghana ase. Na kotoko team a when ani abre so beje league, wo MTN FA Cup mu na supporters ni bi tinchen. Na omo e blame players, omo blame coach Ogum. Senka wo ye coach Oguma, se wo ye coach Oguma, anka uti bebom. O first team, we 11 players ni free mu a. Na omo amaka no, omo te bench no, nipa 3. What take 7 hours kwa akobo game. Okoya kwakunya draw. Oye supporter we ninje. Oye club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter we ninje. We be feel ho abesa ko Wenchi Young Apostles. Wenchi nye plays ukodi agoro ho no. Enka kitu e bi nkomo hye Kotoko. Kotoko ba take ball 5-6 hours. E dey akọ Wenchi. Akwa akobo game. Akwa take draw enso wo ho. Oye supporter who blame the same players now omo call someone boy and the same players na call honum because now justice blame still no more suspension. And also match na 3 days because obo second 11 wise 12 no kobo Samates on the 15th. We on the 19th and I was also kobo e wo Young Apostles. We Young Apostles na we bo Holy Stars, Basiki Holy Stars. Webo Basiki Holy Stars. Within 3 days, that time the players Ebiaba back from suspension. Because Legon Cities, Samates, Young Apostles, na wenya or players suspension eko. Omo bowie ya eno na kotokonya 1 week rest. Edekobo True Democracy. Ewo MTN FA Cup and hwe how a True Democracy for the buy. Omo buy game number boy na a physical game and hodin mu onom de buy. And omo game ni within 3 days I was on breakum Chelsea. Lucky enough for the breaking Chelsea about Saturday na kotoko bebo Sunday. And even that one can 1 day different because omo ball enumre na kotoko so be enumre. No mbo breakum Chelsea. Ono mo win ye. Omo wie atu akopando for 9 hours. Akobo Pando Heart of Lions. Hezi akotoko players omepra. Kotoko players omepra. Hwe bra players na FM. Hwe kwanya omotwa. Ni nyina anya kwanya eyetia wo. Long journeys. Omakwa kunya draw ho no. E die nti ana moma yan support Moma yɛmmɔ yɛn nsɛm fa ma kɔtɔkɔ players na coach ogun. Ɛna mo pani ya mo nkɔfa plane private jet Emirates team no. Na players na team na yɛkɔ a ɔmo atu afa wiem. Na ɔmo de short time akɔ rest. If not that moma yɛmmɔ yɛn nsɛm ma team no say still now they are on the top of the league. We did the number of migrations. Minimum send America no. What you say? The mema observe because kɔtɔkɔ tu kwan ya mikobi. The mema observe na me di ho nkɔmɔ. Moma yɛmma kɔtɔkɔ team no. Te de bia mani gye ni ɔmo Chairman Alexander Manu eka no. O say me de minimum say league na ebeje. Moma yɛn support players no. Moma yɛn support coach ogun. Imano ko tete nkyɛn o. Saka Dauda epra wo nkyɛn. Kɔtɔkɔ aba today and on recovery training. Let them support them. Let us support Kotoko. Why you support Kotoko fana? Support Kotoko. Because say ya nhwene ayen is going to hurt her. Kotoko be on Sunday. We are outstanding game on Wednesday or sound so bebo. And sana midweek games no and so I stop it. This time I was say 9 games na kano Ghana Premier League ni no. Mo hwe na mo dey support Kotoko team no e wa akoma pam. Na yedi mpai bota players na because players no mabre. Safu Jenfika bibi say mo Kotoko enya physical trainer. Because players no mabre. O mabre obi abo 90 minutes consistency say we need backup bia o. Patrick Asidu need backup. Right back Daniel Ajete we need backup. Sir Patrick Epres is here. Henry Kwame as center back on the kwakobo. Onimbo. Players na bre. Coach Ogum can say Samba say the players are saying they are tired. Omobo pando game because we're trying 9 hours. Oh, quite so. I could do rest or rest say yeah. Oh, you are Sasukubo game. It's not easy. Muma yemfa we nkwa adwendwem. Na enya akomapa emfa support Kotoko team no because I hire Kotoko in the channel no I was say san komodie yidi na supporters yenso yete ase na yehu the players no enso FM na yente ase se Kotoko team no they are ready to win the league wakwa away game say ni nyina wakwa ekire na wakwa win nye bechem he yawo nye nim he yawo nye bebie ni he yawo samna boy wenchi pandu no akonya drum yen support me do be see ya subscribe share na like it.